Hello, my name is Funggi, and welcome back to another vid. In today's vid, I'm going to be playing Car Crushers 2, and I played this game I think a few months ago. Well, yeah, I am pretty far in the game. I played it quite a bit, because back a year ago, I think it was. This and let's see, this game and I think it was Bubble Gum. If I just search up Bubble Gum, yeah, that and Bubblegum Simulator were literally like the only games I played. So yeah, but it's been a little bit. I played a few months ago, I think. So I'll just go in here and let's play. Alright, so we're in here. We have to you have to click on the dealership first, I think. And I have a lot of money. Oh yeah, that's right, because I get a token, so it's like a rebirth. Which car do I have? So I have, wait, drive? Alright. So I'm going to spawn this car. I think this is the car I have. I have gotten way farther in this game. It's just that, I rebirthed pretty much. So, we have a boost one over here, boost something. Oh, the wrecking ball. Don't mind if I do. I think we'll just drive it right into here. Bang. Alright. They added a miles per hour thing, which is new. I'm not going to hit that button. I'm going to just go up here. Alright, thank God the ladder works. So let's see. Not enable yet. Oh wait, no, actually enable. Watch this. Oh, I just got $7,000. No, $8,000. Alright. Let's respawn. All you have to hit is R to respawn something. All you have to hit is R. Alright, I can't believe I'm only going 35 miles per hour. Why do I'm getting to every single one except my row 3. Let's see, which one is the boost one? I don't care. Let's not do let's do the shredder. That seems like a go. And this guy has a literal bashed up car. Alright, this time I'm gonna use this. I'm glad it sets it to slow because I like slow on this. It's at medium. I like slow, dude. Alright, keep going, keep crushing it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, we got a vehicle. We got a new vehicle. Oh yes, we got 6.5K. Let's go. Alright, now we'll go into the dealership. And now I think we can spawn this car. Alright. We're at row 3 again. See, do we have our bonus one over here or something? Nah, I think the bonus ones do a lot more, so I'll just go to that one. No, it's not over here because I can't go over there. Oh, I just got $201 for busting up the front of my car. Where's my bonus one? Maybe I just don't have a bonus one. I just busted up my car again. I'm gonna just drive mine into one. Keep going. Fast. This is row 4. I don't need row 4. Oh my God, that guy just literally went into that one. Go! I'm gonna literally just go into boulder drop. Alright. No, I'm not gonna bother to. Oh wait, no, there's no quick enable. I'm gonna just go drop boulders. My car is getting crushed by boulders. My car just got crushed by boulders. Oh my God. My car just got destroyed. I want to go on to, oh my god. Don't shoot me, please. Oh, so the magnet is my bonus one. Alright, I'm gonna just, this is a fun one. Let's see here. We're just gonna enable the magnet. Now we're gonna disable the magnet. Enable. Disable. Enable. Disable. Enable. Disable. Enable. This is so fun. Alright, now we're not getting any more. That's alright. It's so funny. No, my bonus one is right over here. The acid pit. Alright. Ah! Oh my god. The acid pit is burning my car. I'm gonna get $10,000 from this. I'm gonna turn it on again. Oh wait, no, that just enables the conveyor. I'm gonna respawn. I think that tank that was shooting me earlier can literally destroy cars. Oh, here's my bonus one. Right over here. I can't believe I didn't get any money for that, but that's okay. Come on. Ugh. Oh no, come back, go back, go back. What's it called? The laser grid. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna make sure to go over here actually. I'm gonna go enable lasers, conveyor speed slow, enable conveyor. Alright, now look at them. They're cutting up my car. They do lag a lot. Well, a bit. Okay, now here's my favorite part. The fire part. It goes into a pit of fire. Oh, God. That guy almost killed himself by going into a bunch of lasers. Oh, he's a millionaire. I'm just a crusher. No, he's a millionaire crusher. Watch this. I just killed myself. Oh, ah! I have no body. Let's see, what was I? 6th? I earned 2 credits. Okay. For another 7 seconds. What's the car that I have? Ooh, this is a nice car. Alright, keep going. I need to keep going. We'll have to drift some. Alright, here we go. Oh, we did a good drifter. We're in 3rd place. Hold on, I need to do something. Here we go. This is gonna be great. Here we go. Oh, we're in first! We're in first! No way! We're in first, dude! We're in first! Yes! We got first! We got first! Yes! We got first! Yes! Yes! We got one of these. As actually, where? I'll say row 4. This is row 4. Where is it? I'm gonna follow this guy. Oh, there it is! Easy peasy, yo. We're gonna win. Win this thing. I'm gonna sit right inside. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know, we literally just go above it. We just go above it. 37,000? That's plus, you know, the explosion literally exploded our car. So we got that money. We literally got that money. And plus the 26,000 that they gave us. Plus this 26,000 that they gave us for the win. More than half of the servers survived the explosion. Nice. Well, guys, I think that'll be the end of this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on that notifications bell, and I will see you in the next vid. Bye!